he's getting chills.
That's what it looks like.
You're trying to warm yourself up.
He's hoarding all the leaves.
Trying to put him in his diaper, I think.
Hey man, are you saving us for later? Are you saving us for later? He's so handsome.
No, sir.
He's like, I think I'll eat those.
No.